Hey, welcome back. I am Chinelo. My friends call me Nelo. And this is Learn Igbo with Nelo. This is the home for simple, practical, everyday Igbo that we speak. Your surest Igbo plug. If this is your first time here, I'm glad you found us. Do subscribe to the channel and join the family. And if you're back again, you did well. You did great. Welcome back. Let's talk about subjective pronouns. If you say subject, we are talking about the doer of an action. For example, I helped him. I helped him. The doer of the action there is I, right? Good. Now, that's the same thing we want to talk about now in Igbo. Okay? The entire 6 personal pronouns we talked about earlier are all subjective pronouns. They are all subjective pronouns. Now, remember that subjective pronouns are doer, the pronoun that does the action in the sentence. For instance, the sentences we already used. I siri ncha. I siri ncha. You cooked soup. You are the one that did the cooking, so you are the subject. I is the subject. Anyị siri ncha. Anyị siri ncha. Anyị is the subject. Ọ rachara ube. Ọ rachara ube. The doer of the action there is ọ. So ọ is the subject. Okay. So like I said, the entire 6 personal pronouns I listed earlier, we already learned. They are subjective pronouns. Okay. Now let's go to objective pronouns. Now objects are receivers of actions. The receivers of actions. Now, it is subjective and objective that distinguish I and me in English. For example, I cooked food. You wouldn't say me cooked food. That's because I is subject, is subjective pronoun. But me is objective pronoun. Can only be used in the objective form. Okay? Do you understand it? The same thing with he and him. You can only say he cooked soup. But you cannot say him cooked soup. That's because he is a subject, while him is an object. Now let's go through the objective pronouns we have in Igbo. Now in Igbo, once more, is much easier than English because it's only 2 differences. Only two that are different. All the others are the same. Me is still you, personal in Igbo. Do you remember what I said it is? It is a or I. A maọbụ I. Now, when you are talking about it in objective, you will say ge. Ge. That changed. Then him, her, it has changed to ya. Then us is still anyị. You, that's you all, plural form, you all, is still unu. Then them is still ha. Hasn't changed. Only 2 changed, which is you change to ge. Then him, her, it change to ya. Only those two. So you don't have too much to memorize. Just try to remember them, okay? Practice time. Now, let's bring the subjective and the objective together using this verb, horo. Horo. Ho is see. Horo is saw. Saw is horo. Okay? Let's go. Horo gị. Horo gị. I saw you. Ị hụrụ ya. Ị hụrụ ya. That means you saw him, her, or it. Ọ hụrụ anyị. Ọ hụrụ anyị. It means he, she, or it saw us. Ha hụrụ ya. Ha hụrụ ya. It means they saw him, her, or it. Anyị hụrụ unu. Anyị hụrụ unu. It means that we saw you. Plural. We saw you. Anyị hụrụ unu. Unu hụrụ anyị. Unu hụrụ anyị. That means you saw us. You see the pattern now? The subjective pronoun does the action, while the objective pronoun receives the action, stays at the back and receives the action. That's the pattern. So you can always form your sentences so easily if you understand this. Okay? You're doing great. Keep showing up. Keep practicing. That's how fluency is built. One small lesson at a time. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, you need to subscribe. Subscribe. It is free to subscribe. Subscribe. And make sure you turn on the notification bell because the next lesson is definitely going to be really nice. And you wouldn't want to miss that. Until then, I'm Chinelo, and this is Learn Igbo with Nelo. Thank you so much for learning with me. I'll see you in our next lesson. Okay, Messia.